In today's ever-changing market, financial responsibility is key. To get into the housing market and to continue advancing your portfolio, it's going to take strategic planning and well-managed finances. So I'm Stephanie, talking health, wealth, and real estate, and today I'm going to bring a few tips that are going to help you with budgeting and financial success. Now, my first tip is to get paid what you're worth and spend less than you earn. Many struggle with this simple rule. If you are looking at ways to save up for a down payment, you'll have to evaluate your current cash flow situation, okay? There are all kinds of opportunities available to you. So you want to go and assess, are there opportunities to pick up extra shifts, to get some additional raises or bonuses? And then you want to look at how you can minimize your cost of living. Are you able to cut back on phone bills, maybe some extra activities, maybe you purchase a lot of takeout? Just a little bit of cost-cutting effort is really going to make a difference for you. You'll never get ahead if you are spending as much or more than what you're earning. Okay, my next tip is to look at creating a budget, and this budget should clearly outline all of your income sources and all of the expenses that you have. It's going to help to give you a clear view of your current financial situation. Now, I would recommend absolutely getting in touch with a financial advisor. They can really help you to assess your situation and create that clear plan. There also are a lot of apps available out there, so have a search and look at some tools that are going to be able to help you bring it all together. Now, the most important thing here is really tracking. So you need to be honest with yourself and honest with your situation so that you can establish that clear view. I've also found it helpful to create like a cash flow summary, where you're looking at your assets as well as your liabilities. I don't know if any of you have tried that yet, but it really gives you a clear understanding of where you stand financially. Now, you will again be able to have a look at any areas that you might be overspending or areas that you can leverage a little bit better. And taking that trimming or becoming a little more strategic is going to help you again to have more financial success. Now, the next one is paying off your credit card debt. Now, I know as some of you are working to save your down payment, it's really important to make sure that you do have that money accessible and available for you. But credit really is a hot topic in today's market because it's something that can either hinder your success in terms of your purchase, or it's something you can really use to leverage and even increase your purchasing power. Now, I know it's very easy to get a card, use it, and forget all about it. But if you're on top of things, paying off your balances, you're going to help to establish a better credit score as well as a better credit history. If you've gone and taken a trip a couple years ago and you're still paying off that trip on your credit card, look at all the interest that you've accrued. You're overpaying on some of these items by far. So again, stay on top of these things. Try to keep up with those monthly minimums, but also look at paying off that debt as quickly as you can. Okay? Just paying those minimum monthly payments again causes that interest to accrue and becomes another monthly expense for you. So clearing it out frees up a lot more money for you to position yourself and use your money more strategically. Okay? The next thing I would actually say is, or ask you, is do you have a savings plan? Do you have a savings account? Remember that very simple rule, pay yourself first. Every month, look at committing to putting away just a little bit of something, even if it's $100, okay? Of course, I'd suggest looking at your short and long-term goals and seeing how much you need to be putting away every month to effectively reach those. I also suggest having it kind of set up on automatic deposit or withdrawal into an account that you can't access because you don't want to see that number accrue or build and then all of a sudden you take out that money for little emergencies. So again, look at just setting up a nice strategic and creative plan to start saving. It's definitely going to help you to be able to leverage when you're ready to take advantage of a really key opportunity in the market. My last tip is to actually sit down with an accountant and go over your taxes. There's the issue of tax reclaim. There could be thousands of dollars that are just sitting and waiting for you to be able to claim. and to be able to utilize and leverage with your investments. The important thing here is to look at record keeping, whether you forward your things monthly to an accountant or just have it kind of in a log. Once you're able to sit down, you can review everything and maybe go over the last few years and see if you're really maximizing on those deductibles and get access to that cash that's yours. All right. Now, success truly comes with knowledge. I will say that all the time. Knowledge is power. Writing things down and being honest is going to help you to find that perfect place where you can start. You understand your situation and you can just have great financial success from there. So get your little book, start budgeting, get in touch with the resources to help you to be successful. Again, you guys know I am Stephanie, Health, Wealth, and Real Estate, and I look forward to sharing some more tips and information with you soon.